Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. In this video, I will show you how to identify running, starting and common. First you need to select resistance and then you need to check the meter. It should give beep. You can see. So the meter is okay. Now you need to check all the terminal. The two terminal which is giving more resistance, that will be running starting. See, I have three terminal. Let's start to check the resistance. First we will check right side down and up, and you can see resistance is 5.0, 5.1, and the other one down to 19.0 and up and left 14.4. So now the two terminal which is giving more resistance, that will be running starting. So the down to which we have, that is giving more resistance, and you can see 19.4. so these two we have running starting. The third one automatically we have common. Now we will check with common. The terminal which we have low resistance, that will be running, and the terminal which we have more resistance, that will be starting. So up is common. Now we will check up, and the other one right, that is giving 4.8, and this one giving 14 point something. So this is giving more resistance, and the right side one giving low resistance. So the right side one we have running, and the left side down we have starting. The top one we have common. So this how you can identify running, starting and common. The two terminal which is giving more resistance, that will be running starting. The third one you have already common. So you need to check with common. The terminal which is giving low resistance with common, that will be running. So this is compressor. You can see compressor normally have two part, electrical and mechanical. This is model number for this compressor, Embraco. So one is electrical part. You can see this three terminal. This is for electrical motor which is run compressor. The top is mechanical, that is pump, compressor pump. This is suction line, and this one you can see, this is suction line, and this is discharge line. The suction line and charging line is same.